When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do? Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. Yo, what's going on YouTube and Crypto Fam and VV Peeps? It's your boy, The Gale, back at it again with a weekly wrap-up video. So Ecomi has dropped their second ever weekly wrap-up video, and like last time, I'm just gonna read straight from the Medium article. I know that not everybody is Medium savvy, so I'm just gonna read that for them and then give my brief analysis over what I just read. And before I do that, I want to give a shout out to JP, aka the Omi Whale, aka But I'm Not a Whale. I appreciate the shout out, and it's cool to know that people of your caliber are listening to guys like me. It lets me know I'm doing something right. This is my first time making really a YouTube channel, and I'm just a guy who's very excited about Omi and Ecomi. I see the potential here, and I just want to document my journey and bring facts to the people. I think I'm pretty knowledgeable enough in crypto to give my opinions on the matter, which this is all these are, is opinions, really. So thanks again for that shout out. I appreciate that, and I'm gonna continue to fight the good fight. So with that being said, let's jump on into the content. All right, so weekly wrap up, May 22nd, 2021. Season 2 has officially launched. After a very smooth drop, the smoothest to date by all accounts, Batman fans and collectors the world over have been enjoying their latest digital collectibles. Behind the scenes, the Ecomi team, or development team, has also been hard at work building and testing new app features and updates. Batman Black and White Series 5. Batman Black and White was the first series ever released on Veve back in October 2020, so it was only right to pay dues to Gotham's finest superhero with the launch of Season 2. The Series 5 release saw 4 new Batman Black and White collectibles, including the long-awaited Batman number 89, ripped from the pages of Dark Knight's Metal. The Batman Who Laughs is a striking version of the Caped Crusader who makes nightmares shudder, designed by Greg Capullo. During this week's drop, we took the market offline 20 minutes prior to release, and it was re-enabled approximately 2 hours after. This allowed the collectible release and delivery system to run incredibly smoothly. With the rare Batman number 71 and ultra rare Batman number 6, aka Dad Bod Batman, selling out in less than a minute, this also allowed for almost all collectibles to be delivered to user accounts prior to the market coming back online. Moving forward, we will continue to take the market offline during digital collectible releases to ensure the best possible user experience. New purchase limits were also introduced to ensure that there would be collectible content available in the Veve store for new users to start their Season 2 collections. If you missed any of the details, you can catch up on the release in our drop article below, or complete your sets in the Veve market. Welcome to our new devs. Before we dive into the latest developments, we want to extend our newest team members a big welcome. As many of you are aware, our team is growing and will continue to expand to ensure the needs of the community and company are met. Over the past month, Ecomi/Veve has welcomed 4 new backend developers, 2 new web developers, and 1 Unity developer. Our newest members have already impacted the pace at which new updates are being completed, and will continue to play a vital role in bringing the Veve vision to life. Veve updates. A new number of features and app updates have been built over the past week, with most revolving around improved usability and app stability. Many of the new features will be available to users in the next app update and include being able to filter market between auctions and buy now listings, new sorting capabilities allowing users to sort through listings by edition number, updating the in-app keyboard to support Euro characters, allowing a more familiar experience for European users when pricing listings. This update allows users to list items using a comma instead of a period. Screen optimizations to improve the UI for any users with a notch in their phone screen, such as iPhone 12 Pro. The coming update will also make it easier for users to manage their auction bids. The new option, or the quote new option in the market header, will be replaced with My Bids, so that users can more easily keep track of items they place on a bid or place a bid on. This week has also seen the preparation put in place to upgrade our Unity engine to URP, or the Universal Rendering Pipeline. The goal of the Universal Rendering Pipeline is to provide optimized performance for developers targeting a broad range of platforms, VR, and games. Discord Clubhouse Chat. This week we also opened the voice chat in the Veve Discord server for a Clubhouse-style AMA. These drop-in events are a great way to have your voice heard and questions answered, and we'll look to open this conversation up much more frequently moving forward. Although Reese faced some early microphone issues, again, the conversation carried for almost 2.5 hours, with Dan, Reese, and Trevor joining in the conversation. Big shout out to KZ Rock Bottom for recording and sharing. You can catch up on it below, and be sure to like the video and leave a comment while you're there. There's the video. Information on this channel is Information on this channel is subjective and should not be considered financial advice and is subject to change. So, yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to briefly give my thoughts on these updates. So the Batman Black and White Series 5, I enjoyed the drop. I got an ultra rare this time, but there were issues of it selling out in under, well, the ultra rare selling out in under like 10 seconds. Now, if that was organic, then cool. That means there's a lot of users and demand is high. But if there's bots, then I think that needs to be addressed. That's not going to be a good look going forward, because not everybody knows how to use bots, and it's just not fair to the humans. So I suggested in the earlier video that maybe you need to click on a I am not a robot button, before you can purchase. That's just one solution. I don't know what else they can do regarding bots. So other than that, the drop was cool. I hope they continue to make Batman Black and White drops. Yeah. So let's go down to the new devs. I think it's awesome that they're getting new, adding more members to the team, and it's really awesome that they said that our newest members have already impacted the pace at which new updates are being completed. That means we're going to get a lot of the features that we're looking for sooner than expected. So probably, vault updates and accessories and stuff like that maybe. But I'm glad that they're adding on people slowly and not just adding anybody. Like, I want this team to be like the Avengers, a select few people that can get the job done. I don't want like an army of peons or, grunts, just adding people just for adding sake. Like, I want, we already got Dan Crothers, we got Alfred Kahn, we got David Yu, so that's like Captain America, the Hulk, and Iron Man. So now we got to add our Visions, and we got to add our Wandas, quality team members that can get the job done. So I think that's awesome that we're adding slowly but surely more to the team. And then the Veve updates. So it's very awesome that they're adding a filter between auctions and buy now. I mentioned that in my last video where I cover all of the set prices, that they should have a filter for the auctions and buy nows. The more convenient they make the store or the marketplace, the better it is going to be for everybody, especially investors, because people are going to want to stay, they're going to want to buy, they're going to want to sell, and it's just going to be a good experience for everybody. So that's good that they're updating that and listening to the people, it seems like. It's cool that they're including, the European users, making it comfortable for them to see, to be able to type stuff that they're familiar with, characters and stuff. What else we got? We got screen optimizations. That's obviously awesome. What else we got? Coming up update. And then, the upgrade to the Unity engine. That is like one of the most important ones. We want these NFTs to look like they are literally in our living room once they, once we put them in AR. We basically just want the best quality NFTs, which we already have, or collectibles if you prefer, because I know we can't take them off the app yet. So I might have to make a video on that soon. Actually, people are wondering if are they really NFTs or are they just collectibles? But anyway, yeah, it's cool that they're working on the optimizations. They need to get rid of those anti-analyzing lines or whatever you call them. You know, those little edges on the NFTs that make them, you know, not look like they're real. So that's awesome. And that's about all I have to say about that. Well, that's the video, my friends. And as you can see, Veve is working in the background to get this app to where it needs to be. To anybody who's like complaining about this or that about Veve, you know, we weren't even supposed to find out about this app until, you know, maybe like a couple more months down the line. They weren't expecting this many users so quick. That's just a testament to how great the app is. So if we're still here, it's because we want to be, you know. Nobody's forcing us to be here. It's really a blessing that we know about this app this early. So we just need to chill out and go with the flow. You know, if you want to not look at your Omi tokens for a couple months, couple years, whatever, however long it takes, don't look at your coins. You know, buy these collectibles, have fun with it. There's really nothing to complain about. We're so early, you know, we're just too early. And if you can't handle being early, then come back when the app is fully working. But odds are you won't leave because you know the opportunity is too great. So let's just, you know, take a chill pill and let's ride the wave of success that is this company. That is my opinion. I am not a financial advisor. You know, I just know what I know, and I'm sharing my opinions, you know. So with that being said, if you made it this far, thank you for watching the video. I appreciate your support. Also, feel free to leave a like if you're so inclined to do so for your bromie. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out and hodl, guys. Hodl strong.